Hey guys, here is a blast from the past. I hope you enjoy it. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for future video notifications. Thanks everybody.
When it's least expected, you're elected, you're the star today. Smile, you're on candid camera. With the hocus pocus, you're in focus. It's your lucky day. Smile, you're on candid camera.
We don't like, because people come in and they do stuff here.
Star dominates Skipper up.
We don't like, because people come in and they do stuff here. We don't like, because people come in and they do stuff here.
9살 소녀가 춤으로 후보를 소개했었다고 하는데요. 그때 반응이 너무 좋아가지고
Like, you know, there's a lake.
What do they do?
Well, people, if somebody comes and stops, it's just we want to make sure that nobody's trying to do anything. That's the thing. There's sensitive stuff there. We want to make sure everybody's okay. We don't make sure nobody's trying to do stuff.
Caucasian, I believe. Caucasian. What was that?
Caucasian.
40s maybe. I don't know. No, I can't. I don't think so. What was that? I don't know. One possibly, but I don't know. I can't say for sure. They are. We had people walking out. What I said is it's creating a possible harassment situation where customers came in, saw you, and immediately turned around and left. I never said anyone spoke to me, and you got that on camera that I did not say that.
So you're calling them to report a possibility of something?
Oh no, well you can't be filming in here.
Sure
so
we
that's where
can.
they're coming, 'cause
Sure
right
we can.
We see on our cameras that the customers are leaving as they see you're recording them.
Oh, is that the reason? Maybe they forgot something in their car. You're making an assumption.
No, we actually, because one of them called and asked if what time to come back because he was dropping off packages and he drops off every day.
This guy isn't even going inside to educate them that what we're doing is perfectly legal. Are you going to do that, officer? Are you going to go in and educate them that it's perfectly legal and they shouldn't make false claims that we're harassment? And then educate them that what we're doing is perfectly legal, dude. Yeah, how many lives have you ruined? Huh? You're useless, dude. Get the fuck out of here. Okay, we're taking off now. Cops came. Didn't do anything because it's perfectly legal what we're doing.
I don't know if he was spoken, because he was here, that lady had called.
No, we addressed him out there and he just walked away because he knows what we're doing is perfectly legal. So get educated next time and learn the law.
That person who...
Learn the law, man. The law.
Can you do me a big favor?
I don't do favors.
Yeah.
Don't touch me.
I'm not touching you. Can you please not be filming inside of City Hall?
This is open to the public. I have every
I understand,
right to
but you can't be filming inside of City Hall.
be. Sure I can.
No, you don't. You need a permit.
I don't need no permit.
Yes, you do.
No.
Yes,
What
you do.
law is that?
It's in one of the laws, but you do.
No,
need
tell me the law, man.
I don't have to tell you nothing.
Well, then get out of my face, bro.
Can you just calm down right now?
You calm down.
Just take a chill pill.
You take a chill pill. Get out of my personal space, man. I feel threatened.
Well, of course you feel threatened.
Quit
because
coming up upon me, dude.
I'm not going up upon you, dude. Can you just listen to me?
No, I don't listen to you.
Can you just walk right outside of City Hall and
No.
just have a word with me?
No, I'm not walking out anywhere. This is open to the public. I'm filming. I've got business. I took this. Get out of my space.
Can you just calm down?
No, you calm down. You came up to me.
Listen, just calm down really quick.
I am
just,
calm.
Just do me a big favor. Can you
No,
just walk
I'm not
right
doing
outside
you any favors.
and have a word with me?
No. You go back to your little desk and you do me a favor.
What's your name?
What's your name?
My name is Officer Vasquez. Can you just follow me outside?
No, I'm not your dog.
I didn't say you're my dog.
Yeah, well, don't tell me what to do, dude. I have every legal right to be in here with a camera filming. It's a First Amendment protected activity.
But you still need a film permit to be inside.
I don't need any film permit.
Yes,
The
you do.
Constitution gives me the right to do this. You f***ing touch my camera, dude. It's assault and battery. I suggest you get out of my personal space. You keep walking up on me. Get a supervisor. Get a supervisor
Can you
right
calm
now.
down? Can you calm
Get a
down?
supervisor right now, man.
Listen,
Get a
don't-
supervisor.
Don't scream at me, dude.
Get a supervisor.
Why are you
You
doing-
keep walking up on me, dude.
I'm asking you to leave.
I don't care what you're asking me. I have a right to be in here. Quit walking up on me.
Listen,
I'm not listening. Get out of here. Get a supervisor. All right, guys, you see this? Officer Vasquez won't call a supervisor. He's a security officer, doesn't know the law.
Can you just walk right outside?
No, dude, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
I'm not touching you. Listen.
Hey, get your hands off me! And you are the city clerk or the city treasurer?
Actually, I'm an account clerk 1.
You're account clerk 1?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's good. And what's your name?
I'd rather not say.
You don't want to say your name?
No, I don't really want to be recorded.
Oh, I'm sorry, ma'am, but you're in public. You're
Yep.
a public employee, and I do a. I don't want to be accused of creating a disturbance. So, if you don't want to give your name, I'll find your name. Thank you for the information, because I wanted you. I was actually wanted your name to thank you for giving me this information.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, no problem. My first name's Vicky.
Oh, now you want to give your name?
I can give you my first name, yeah, Vicky.
Oh, I thought you didn't want to give me anything.
I would prefer not to be recorded, that's what I'm saying.
So, man, you called for me?
What's that?
You got a call for me?
I didn't call for you, no. I'm
No,
looking for the restroom, actually.
Nobody called for me, huh?
So,
You didn't get a call to service because of me recording in here?
so.
You can be honest.
Yeah, somebody called.
Why
so,
didn't you just
yeah.
say that in the beginning, man?
So,
You didn't
yeah.
have to lie.
I gotta go to the bathroom, though.
Yeah, man, but you don't have to lie to me. That's not cool. Yeah, shut him down. Why would he lie? Why would a police officer lie? Think about that. Think about that. It's not right. Huh? What? You don't want to talk? You have a business card? Yeah, unprofessional, man. You're a liar. You're a dirty cop. I can already tell, man. Gotta go.
I don't care what you think.
Oy vey.
And I'm gonna come break your shit.
Yeah,
In
right.
just a second.
Yeah. Yep. And that officer's
Let
gonna
me put
take
the shirt so I can
charge
come
of
break
you.
your shit. So
Yeah, sure you will, sister.
you better be positive that I'm about to come break you.
Yeah.
You're weird. You're supposed to be recording the people to see if the police gonna do something, but you're recording the people to see if the people gonna do something. Get the fuck out of here, then. Nobody worried about you. She's not doing nothing. She's fine. Go record somebody who beating up people.
You need to put on some underwear under that outfit,
Whatever
girl.
whatever your propaganda is, you're not doing nothing good for it.
Put on some underwear.
Sir, may I ask what are you doing here?
Who are you?
Okay, I'm the postal employee. May I see your ID? Or what
Can
are
I
you doing?
see your ID?
I'm right here. No, I'm wearing a uniform.
What?
I'm wearing a uniform right now.
What'd you say?
This is a federal building and I'm on a uniform right now. What are you doing right here, sir?
I'd suggest you take about 2 steps back and I'm going to defend myself.
I'm gonna call the police because you're supposed not to do on anything video on the federal building.
Do you understand that I'm on a public sidewalk?
No, okay. You stay right there, okay?
Okay. No, you stay right here.